Hello guys, welcome back to another episode. So guess what, today I'm in the deep of Ruwa Solomio Ruwa. As you can see, this is Solomio Ruwa. That's where I am today, and I'll be showing you Ruwa. Guys, it's very trick driving here, you know. It's kind of tricky. Because the beds are rolled. I cannot even turn here. Wow, something else. So guys, today I'm in Ruwa, guys. I'm in Ruwa Solomio Ruwa. That's where now I'm killing my car now. That's where I am. Yo. So I'll be showing you Solomio Ruwa. This one, someone else told me that it used to be a Maimujuri's farm. I don't know if it's true. If there is someone who knows, can you comment in the comment section? I didn't confirm about it. Can you tell me? So some of the places, they are still developing, as you can see. This side is still low, but as you can see, the houses are there and people are living their lives. And there's they are growing because these houses, they are many. It's like a community here. And I've realized that transport, it's very difficult this side. I think it's because of the bad roads in Solomio Ruwa. This one put a gate here. So that's what we have for Solomio. So this is down, but I'll show you the nice houses here. There are many nice houses around here. So this is where the shops are, and that's where the shops are. Solomio. The road is bad, guys. I don't wanna lie. The road is bad, but there is a development here. There is a great. And these ones, they are just trucks used for trucks. They are using them for building, carrying the building materials. Have you heard those noises? If you stop, these guys will kill you. These ones. I don't wanna lie. It's hard shooting content in Zimbabwe, because you'll be threatened if you just produce your camera out and shooting. These guys, they will kill you this side, especially when you are shooting a video. They will kill you. So that's what we have in Ruwa Solomio. But for me, I trained karate, so we'll kill each other. So these are shops at Solomio. There are many shops, and most of them are restaurant. As you can see, they are restaurant. These ones are selling buckets. Some of them are selling potatoes. Then we have Baker's Inn. This one is a small shop. Baker's Inn. Some are selling quail. Some are selling quail. This one is selling SIM cards, airtime, and everything. Most of the shops, they are selling groceries. Some of them are butcheries. On this side they are selling gas. There is a barber shop. This one repairs some radios. So, Solomio. I used to imagine about this place. Thought maybe it's just something else, but I'm seeing a different thing here. It's very nice. It's growing, as you can see. These ones are structures. These ones, they are just structures. They are for shops. Everyone here just saying, yo, you are shooting video, hey, I'm just carrying a small camera. What if I just produce a big camera? They will say, they will kill me. Definitely they will kill me this day. They will kill me. So that's what we have about Solomio. It's nice, guys. If you have an opportunity to buy a stand, I think it's good. Yeah, because it's growing. Car service center. I think this one is into cars. So this side, that's where the nice houses starts. This side, that's where the nice houses starts. This side. These ones are still just shops. These ones are still just shops. You live in a house. If you want some pets, you can. If you want to put a garden on your house, then you put your look. That's one. And if got some solar on top of the house. People are living their life, guys. And us, we are just saying, no, those things are not legal. Where would you find 20,000 to buy a land? Do what everyone is doing, then find out if it won't work. Look, these houses. These ones, I don't know, are they under council or are they what? But these ones, they seems like they are under council because you can see with the structures of the house. Even you can see that this one invested more money in this project. So now we are seeing the nice houses here. So these are houses. These ones, they are nice. This one, I don't want to lie. They've got some trees. Everyone's got some trees. It's nice. You know, because some of the ghetto stands, you won't have a space even to plant a guava tree, even a mango or avocado tree. You won't have that space, you know. But here's another story. Look, these trees, and these ones, they look like, what do you call indigenous trees? Yeah. Look at that dog, guys. So Solomio is big, guys. I don't know if this is still Solomio or Ruwa, this one, but I know it's Ruwa. I don't know the name, but I think it's just Solomio. Because what can we call this? Ruwa what? Look at this pavement. People are building nice houses. Nice houses. You know, Zimbabwe is growing, and some of the people are there outside saying, no, Zimbabwe, what, come on, invest in Zimbabwe. Just find your stand. Look at this house, guys. Guys, you should invest in Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe is the right place to invest, you know. Invest your money in Zimbabwe. Invest your money in Zimbabwe. It's me who is telling you. these houses. Look. And then you say, no, Zimbabwe, no. People are living large here. Look at this one. Guys, if I don't tell you, you won't know anything. That's why I'm telling you. You should invest in Zimbabwe. Look these houses, guys. Just imagine if you hear someone who say, I bought this land for 1,500, but on those days it was illegal. But then he processed the papers. Now the stand is now legal, and it's now worth more than 10,000. The house is now more than 10,000. But you will be saying, no. If I find the opportunity, I will. And in fact, I will show you what I'm building in the rural areas. I won't tell you the rural area that I'm building. Look, this one seems like a creche or something. Wow. That one is an upstairs, double story. So it's just something else. This side, they have got some big houses this side. Let's just say Ruwa, this one. I don't know more about these places, but this side is Windsor side. They call it Windsor because look at that one. It's a Windsor maternity pharmacy. This one is a pharmacy. So invest, guys. A building won't collide with another building. That's what I always tell my young ones. A building won't collide with another building. It will live for life for the next generation. This one is the shops. That's where the TM is. There is TM. So now here it's TM. This is TM pay at Ruwa. And this one is Therapy, Zimbabwe Republic Police at Ruwa. So I've got TM Pick and Pay Ruwa. This is Ruwa Shopping Center. I'll be showing you around, guys. Just be with me. I will show you around. So here we have got tier 1 offices. Tier 1 offices. Then there is Econet Wireless there. Urudza Butcher Pharmacy. Then Urudza Meat Center. cafe, your farms, Ames Medical till 1. That's what we have at the shops.